That's what I thought.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's really vile.
Go,
Okay,
There, go for it.
oh no, Andrew missed it.
No, put it.
Oh, probably shake it a lot.
Camera. Put it, David.
Oh!
Because no, Daddy, tell us what went wrong.
Oh, well, I thought there was supposed to be 3 cups of baking soda in here and then put 3 tablespoons of vinegar in the tube, but it was you're supposed to put 1 cup of vinegar in the fuselage and 3 tablespoons of baking soda in the tube.
Oh,
We
doofus.
reversed them.
You probably need to tape this in there or something.
Oh, hurry, hurry.
You gonna
I'll just
shake
do
it?
it, put it.
Whoa!
I'd say 3 inches.
Okay, done.
Shake it. There you go.
Okay,
Now put it
now put it on the camera.